5 reasons why you are not happy. Unrealistic expectations and comparisons. Nowadays, we live in a society where social media is prevalent. Everybody has access to everybody's lives. And everybody on social media only posts the good. And it creates a false expectation to those who doom scroll or who are social media active. Because I know a lot of people who see amazing holidays, amazing couple goals, couples doing these once in a lifetime amazing opportunities, and then they start to compare themselves. They look at business people, they look at millionaires, and they say, why aren't their lives like that? And then they start to compare their lives, and they start to bring out all the dissatisfactions that they have with themselves. They start comparing, they say, why don't I go on those holidays? Why don't I drive that car? Everybody's life is unique. Your life is unique to you. There is only one you. Please stop comparing. The only person that you should compare yourself with was who you was yesterday. No one else. Number 2, lack of purpose and direction. And this one I can give you an example of myself, because I was unhappy at a stage in my life when I had no purpose, I had no goals, I had no dreams. I just finished my degree, I'm going to theatre plays, I'm going to loads of auditions, or finished my business degree, I'm working in a nice job, I've got a above average salary, I get to save plenty, I get to go on holiday, but I have no purpose. What am I alive for? What am I doing? What am I here to do? And the most happiest I've ever been in my life is when I have a meaning. I have direction. My purpose now is to use my life experiences and to help others. And I've helped quite a few people, and just to speak with them and just to hear the joy in how their life changed really just it overwhelms me with happiness. I am truly grateful. And that's a reason why potentially you could be unhappy. You need to find your purpose. What is your purpose? And it doesn't have to be extravagant. It could be something small. It could be something like, my purpose is to have and create a happy family and be there for my children. My purpose is to master my job, no matter what it is, no matter what your job is. It can be anything, but once you have a purpose, it gives your life more meaning and it gives you more of a reason to wake up, especially with a smile on your face. Number 3, chronic stress and overwhelm. We have a lot of pressures in this modern day life, with work demands, financial goals, financial planning, and that really kills the joy of the present moment. And that is another reason why potentially you could be unhappy, because you let these fears of stuff that hasn't happened yet, or stuff that you anticipate happen, and it just basically just ruins the present moment. And realizing that the present moment is all that we have. There is no 10 minutes later, there is no half an hour later, there is no tomorrow. There is only now. Yes, it is good to plan, but don't forget that you are important, your health is important, and the only thing that matters is now. So try and enjoy the moment and the things that are important or the things that you stress about, try to learn how to set it aside. Become aware of what's ruining your joy and set that aside for the time when it is time to be dealt with. Because you can't be in bed or getting prepared for bed or eating a meal with your loved ones and thinking about work. I mean, why don't you just enjoy that moment? And then when you can deal with something about work or finance, you get to it at that point in time. But if you're doing something enjoyable, don't think about what can happen. Just think about the moment. Number 4, poor work-life balance. You can be so consumed in your work life, you don't leave any time for yourself. You don't have any hobbies. You don't have anything that's creative. Something that's different from your work life. And I know a lot of people who are unhappy because all they do is constantly work, or think about work. And I'm not saying to just forget about your work, but I'm just trying to say, think about your personal life. Think about stuff that you can enjoy as well. And just differentiate the two. Because there was a time in my life where all I was doing was just focus on money, work. And I just ran myself down in the ground. And then I had to come up with a work-life balance and say, okay, I'm not going to focus on more than work. I'm not going to focus on work more than 12 hours. And in those 12 hours, I'm going to do as much as I can, the best I can. And I'm just going to take care of me. I'm going to do something that I enjoy. So the time I actually get back to work, I can do it with a smile on my face. I can do it to the best of my abilities. And because when you do your work half-hearted, you don't perform good. You don't get the best results. So if you have that work-life balance, it does get you better results in the long run. Number 5, neglecting physical health. You have to remember that this is the only body we have to carry us through this journey called life. We don't get a new one. Take care of yourself. What are you putting into your body? What is your current diet? Do you eat enough fruits and vegetables? Do you take vitamins? How is your body? Do you exercise? Because the better our body is, the better that we can do, the better that we feel about ourselves. And I've had a friend who his diet was poor, he didn't exercise, and he was stressed. And we went through this plan together. A year later, he is unrecognizable. And even though he made other tweaks, but his physical health and his diet really improved his life. So think about your physical health. Be conscious, be aware of what you put into your body. You don't have to go extreme and work out no hour and a half. Just 45 minutes. Just be more in tune with your body. It's the only vehicle that we have. And those are 5 reasons why you're unhappy. If I missed any out, please let me know. If I can elaborate more on some, please also let me know. And I really do appreciate you watching. And please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. It really helps. And I just want to do good. I want to see everyone do good. And thank you again for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.